everybody, it's Yu-Gi-Oh! Master 88 here, and welcome to the newest episode of the Linux History Shorties. Today we'll be covering Gentoo. So without further ado, let's get started. Gentoo Linux is a Linux distribution built using the Portage Package Management System. Unlike a binary software distribution, the source code is compiled locally according to the user's preferences and is often optimized for the specific type of computer. Pre-compiled binaries are available for some packages. Gentoo Linux was named after the Gentoo penguin, the fastest swimming species of penguin. The name was chosen to reflect the potential speed improvements of machine-specific optimization, which is a major feature of Gentoo. Gentoo package management is designed to be molecular, portable, easy to maintain, and flexible. Gentoo describes itself as a meta distribution because of its adaptability, in that the majority of users have configurations and sets of installed programs which are unique to the system and the applications they use. Gentoo Linux was initially created by Daniel Robbins as the Enoch Linux distribution. The goal was to create a distribution without precompiled binaries that was tuned to the hardware and only included required programs. At least one version of Enoch was distributed, version 0.75 in December of 1999. Daniel Robbins and the other contributors experimented with a fork of GCC known as EGCS, developed by Cygenus Solutions. At this point, Enoch was renamed Gentoo Linux. The Gentoo species is the fastest swimming penguin. The modifications to EGCS eventually became part of the official GCC version 2.95, and other Linux distributions experienced similar speed increases. After problems with a bug on his own system, Robbins halted Gentoo development and switched to FreeBSD for several months, later saying, "I decided to add several FreeBSD features to make our auto-build system, now called Portage, a true next-gen port system." Gentoo Linux 1.0 was released on March 31st, 2002. And in 2004, Robbins set up the non-profit Gentoo Foundation, transferred all copyrights and trademarks to it, and stepped down as chief architect of the project. The current board of trustees is composed of 5 members who were announced following an election on March 2nd, 2008. There is also a 7-member Gentoo Council that oversees the technical issues and policies of Gentoo. The Gentoo Council members are elected annually for a period of 1 year by the active Gentoo developers. When a member of the council retires, the successor is voted into place by the existing council members. The Gentoo Foundation is a domestic nonprofit corporation registered in the state of New Mexico. In late 2007, the foundation's charter was revoked, but by May 2008, the state of New Mexico declared that the Gentoo Foundation Incorporated had returned to good standing and was free to do business. Gentoo appeals to Linux users who want full control of the software that is installed and running on their computer. People who are prepared to invest the time required to configure and tune a Gentoo system can build very efficient desktops and servers. Gentoo encourages users to build a Linux kernel tailored to their particular hardware. It allows very fine control of which services are installed and running, including the option to choose between systemd or OpenRC as the default init system. Memory usage can also be reduced compared to other distributions by omitting unnecessary kernel features and services. Gentoo's package repositories provide a large collection of software. Each package contains details of any dependencies so only the minimum set of packages need to be installed. Optional features of an individual package, such as whether they require LDAP or Qt support, can be selected by the user, and any resulting package requirements are automatically included in the set of dependencies. As Gentoo does not impose a standard look and feel, installed packages usually appear as the author's intent. Portage is Gentoo's software distribution and package management system. The original design was based on the port system used by the BSD operating systems. The Gentoo repository contains over 19,000 packages ready for installation in a Gentoo system. A single invocation of Portage's emerge command can update the local copy of the Gentoo repository, search for a package, or download, compile, and install one or more packages and their dependencies. The built-in features can be set for individual packages or globally or so-called use flags. Precompiled binaries are provided for some applications with long build times, such as LibreOffice and Firefox, but users lose the ability to customize optional features. There are configuration options to reduce compilation times, such as enabling parallel compilation or using pipes instead of temporary files. Package compilation may also be distributed over multiple computers. Additionally, the user may be able to mount a large file system in memory to further speed up the process of building packages. Some approaches have drawbacks and are not enabled by default. When installing the same package on multiple computers with significantly similar hardware, the package may be compiled once and a binary package created for quick installation on other computers. And with that, people, that is pretty much Gentoo in a nutshell. There is more information about Gentoo on this wiki page. If you want to read the rest of it, feel free to. But anyway, that is it for this episode of Linux History Shorties. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did, and until next time, this is Yu-Gi-Oh! Master 88 saying see you later.